Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Vertex AI pipelines for retraining production models step by step clearly. To update Vertex AI pipelines for retraining production models, begin by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Vertex AI section in the console. Select the pipeline you wish to update. Review the current configuration of the pipeline. Identify any datasets that require updates or modifications. Proceed to the Data section to manage datasets. Upload any new training data or update existing datasets. Adjust the dataset split percentage if necessary for validation and testing. Once the data is prepared, select the training job that corresponds with the model you want to retrain. Modify hyperparameters as needed to optimize the training process. Next, check the model configuration to ensure it meets your current requirements. Edit model specifications if you are changing the model architecture or parameters. After making the requisite changes, save the updated pipeline configuration. Now, proceed to the Job section to create a new job for the retraining process. Select the updated pipeline configuration and set the necessary parameters. Review all settings to confirm they align with your desired retraining objectives. Submit the job for retraining and monitor its progress in the console. Once the job is complete, evaluate the retrained model performance. If the new model meets your standards, proceed to deploy it to production. Finally, ensure your original model is archived or removed as appropriate. You have now successfully updated Vertex AI pipelines for retraining production models. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.